Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and acting now. Set up your official Mdcat account and verify your email so you can proceed immediately. Once done, scan your scenic or passport and a neutral passport-style photo at the required size. This prevents delays during upload. Make sure your intermediate certificate or transcript is available, since missing academic proof blocks submission. Finally, have payment details on hand. Paying early avoids last-minute site slowdowns and preserves your preferred test slot. You now fill the form carefully and deliberately. Enter names, birth date, and contact details exactly as on your scenic or passport because mismatches cause verification rejections. Once the basics are in, choose your preferred test center and a backup center, since popular locations fill quickly. After that, upload each document and use the preview feature to confirm clarity and correct pages. When satisfied, complete the secure payment. You will receive an acknowledgement. Save that confirmation immediately. You finish by downloading and printing the roll number slip, which confirms your seat, center, and time. Keep a digital copy too. Once done, plan logistics. Pack your original scenic/passport, print of slip, and arrive at least 45 minutes early to complete entry checks. If something goes wrong, an upload or payment error, first clear your browser cache and retry. If it still fails, take screenshots and contact support immediately so they can trace the transaction and reissue your confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.